Welcome again. This is Military loanee. I want to say thank you very much for tuning in. I want to explain something that many didn't know. Basically, the real definite reason why William Saliba did not play against Marseille. Now, many people have been asking the question. A lot of them are not sure what was the situation, but let me give you some insight into what actually happened and the reason why he did not play. So, according to the Daily Canon, William Saliba can't play for OGC Nice against Marseille on Wednesday night because of when the fixture was initially scheduled to take place. Now, that might sound strange, so let me get into more details and give you guys a better understanding of what actually happened. Now, so listen, this is straight from the Daily Canon. There is no doubt that Arsenal loanee William Saliba is starting to become a key player for OGC Nice. He won their Player of the Month award in January and put in another strong performance against Paris Saint-Germain at the weekend. Yet when Nice faced Marseille on Wednesday night, Saliba won't be involved. And we all know that Nice actually lost the game, but they played well, but you could have seen the significant drop off when William Saliba is not playing. The League One fixture was initially scheduled for November before Saliba joined Nice. Yet it was postponed to 17th of February after a number of COVID-19 cases. So initially it was scheduled for last year, November. So which means that at that point in time, William Saliba was actually at Arsenal Football Club. So he couldn't have played for Nice at the point in time. So that is basically the reason why he was unable to play for Nice at that particular time, because the game was actually scheduled from last year November. That was the initial date, and then it was rescheduled. I'm not sure if they actually could have worked out something and basically tweak around a bit to see how best they could facilitate that. But according to reports, only players who were eligible for the initial fixtures can feature in the rescheduled one. That clearly does not include William Saliba or Jean-Claire Todibo, who weren't registered with Nice at that particular time. So we get a better understanding. It is a big shame for the club who started William Saliba and Todibo as a pairing on Saturday and now have to leave both of them out, because both of them are the pairing that they are trying to move forward with. Two young defenders, growing them, but it is so unfortunate, and they have been playing really well so far. So it was very unfortunate for OGC Nice, and hopefully they can rectify this, and maybe if something like this will happen further on, they would probably can put necessary preparation. But it is unprecedented time, so anything like this can happen. But here I go. Before I go anything, this is just a bit of me. They lost the game, but William Saliba is still in training and putting all the preparation. So hopefully he can come back strong as ever. This has been the William Saliba Watch. Drop a like if you like the content, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. This is Military loanee, and guess what? I am out.